Hey guys, so nandito ako sa shop guys, sa Kohl's. So, bumili ako ng ano guys, bibili pa pala ng para i-lunch ko. Ako lang guys, wala si Mr. At bibili ako ng mga chocolates guys, para pang balikbayan box. And some of the women's stuff guys. Yun na. And I'll show you in a bit, okay? So I'm gonna do a mini grocery guys today, just woman stuff lang. Ayan, tingin-tingin. So I'm looking for like collagen guys. Ito yung guys, oh. Yung ganito. This one is 80 na tablets. And I got here, ano, meron isa pero oh, 80 din po guys. 80. Pareho lang pala to. So, I'm looking for collagen guys na tablets kasi ibigay ko sa friend ko. And then here, daming special. So, yeah, I have a look guys. Ayan. Collagen. So, meron ako dito guys. Skin nails with support with collagen formation. So ibigay ko siya sa ano guys ba, sa friend ko na basta she helped me something, then it's my way of say thank you. So bibigyan ko siya ng pangpaganda guys. Ayan, ito lang siguro guys, pero I'm trying to find out pa which is the better deal I can get kasi naka special sila guys. Oh, diba? Tapos ito, oh wait guys. At ito guys, oh, Swiss na fish oil, 17.50 na lang, was 35 and 200 capsules siya guys. Siguro bibili ako guys for balikbayan box para sa Pinas. Same dito guys, pero ito 400 guys, oh. Mas better itong isa. 400 soft capsules pero $15 lang. Ayan. And this one too guys, shiitake mushroom crisp. So I'm gonna buy one for her too. This is nice guys. Meron namang maliit pero naka-sale kasi to. Ayan, oh, may maliit. 30 grams. And this one is 65 grams. So yeah. Ayan. Maliit. So, dalawa guys. And what else pa ba na naka-sell guys? Basta ito mga ano to guys, mga healthy na snacks ha. Like mga vegetarian snacks to. And I'm getting a basmati rice guys na microwavable. I think. Yeah, see? So you can see guys, is pang Easter na chocolate. So I'm gonna buy one for my Mr. guys. So this is it. So Raclea na milk chocolate na parang rabbit ang style. Ayan. And sila guys. So either I get this one guys or this one. Yun guys. Laki ng egg size guys. At ito po guys. Savers na chocolate Easter. Ayan. Ferrero Rocher. Ayan, mga chocolate guys pang Easter guys ba. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ayan ang lalaki. Ayan, diba? Ito ang mas cool to guys. Ayan, na chocolate. May mga special na cream cake. Ayan, ready ko to bet. Strawberry. Ayan, $1.50 na lang. Ito guys is creamy white wine. Naka-special but I don't really need them. Ayan, special. Even the milk. Ayan. So, I'm here at the woman section. So, oh wow. Naka-special guys. Oh, $8 na lang. It was 14.50. Ang daming naka-sell guys. My goodness. Oh, not bad. The Cetaphil. Ayan. Tsaka yung ito. Ito guys, oh, pang balikbayan box. Itong mga to. Ayan. Para have a look. Yeah. See? Lahat yan naka-sell guys. Yellow, yellow. Basta naka-yellow. Ganyan. Yellow tag ba? I mean. Ayan. Ito tayo sa mga ano, pangpaganda. Ayan guys. Let me get this one. Ang daming naka-sell. Ito yung ginamit ko pala guys, oh, na Olay. Ito. Yung all day cream. Yeah. All day hydration. Ayan. Ito yung gamit ko guys. Nung nabili ko noon, $9 for 2. And ngayon is $6.50 guys. So yeah. Still, it's a bargain guys. Ang daming sale. Ayan. Olay na ganito. Anti-wrinkle. Hey guys, so I'm at the library guys kasi magpa-print ako ulit. May ipa-print ako guys in yeah, ito yung dala ko guys, bag, na eco bag, tapos yung bag ko, tapos ito yung suot ko. So, binalik ko ulit yung suot ko guys. Ito yung looks. Today is nice weather. Ano siya guys? Cool. So yeah, let's go to the library guys. This is the library as you can see. Ayan. Parang may mga ano sila, events, ayan. At dito, ayan, public wifi, may free internet. And may ito guys, hand sanitizer, ayan. Wala nang chicken check-in pa. So, hey guys, galing na ako sa store guys. So, nagpahinga muna ako. At dito ako sa aking kaibigan na store. So, yeah. Sumama ako and then, yeah. Nagpahinga muna ako guys, and then I did arrange my stuff to get ready to go home, and I think I will see you next few days guys, or next day like bukas. And dito muna nagtatapos ang ating mini vlog for today, and thank you so much for watching guys. Ayan, ito na guys, haggard na ako guys. Ayan, alright, see you guys next day.